Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2019 Nissan Frontier. This is the PRO-4X crew cab. So this is the off-road version of the Frontier with Bilstein shocks, off-road suspension, a little bit more off-road oriented tires. Really nice option package. This one only has 6,827 miles. It's a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We took it on trade for a brand new Infiniti. Obviously doing a little bit of a lifestyle change, going from a pickup truck to an Infiniti QX60, which is our mid-sized third road crossover. They had a family, so of a growing family, excuse me, a third row seat crossover is going to be a little bit more practical than a pickup truck with just 4 doors. Nice equipment on this Frontier. Parking sensors, we have a locking differential, heated front seats, dual zone auto climate control, navigation, parking camera, great sounding Rockford Fosgate sound system. It has a rather large subwoofer right under the rear seat, so it really makes it feel that bass. So if you're a music fan, I think you'll definitely appreciate the Rockford Fosgate sound system. And as you can imagine, of only 6,800 miles, this thing is in pretty much near new condition. So maybe if you like the options and color combination, this might be a little bit better choice over a brand new one, since it's already depreciated a little bit. One of the biggest initial hits in depreciation that a vehicle will take is when it drives off the lot, because it goes from being a new car to a used car. So someone already took that depreciation hit for you. And there is that great sounding subwoofer right here. Spray and bed light in there, and you have these adjustable tie downs, making it really a very useful bed, and then you can put them over there as well. White is such an easy color to take care of. The PRO-4X also comes with this unique wheel and tire package. Really is a nice looking truck. Frontiers have proven to be very reliable, great resale value. They've been making the same basic vehicle, I think, since 2004. It's probably due for an update, but the good thing is that when you make the same basic thing for so long, by 2019, they've probably worked out all the kinks. So I bet the defects and initial quality, overall quality, is really good on these 2019s. Powerful 4-liter V6, makes a little over 260 horsepower, lots of torque, perfect engine for this Frontier. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we'll see you soon and have a wonderful day.